Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this Brevo email marketing review. This video is going to be useful for individuals who are deciding whether or not to use Brevo for their email marketing purposes. And so I've been using Brevo for about 10 months now, and I must say that it's definitely a solid email marketing platform, especially for the price. But here are some things that you need to be aware about. And if you're interested in trying Brevo out, you can check out the link in the description for a discount code. Now with Brevo, you do get a really generous free plan that includes up to 300 emails per day. Plus their drag and drop email builder is very user-friendly and they have SMS marketing built in as well. But the downside is that their automation features aren't as advanced as competitors and their customer service can be pretty slow to respond. Now the biggest cons of Brevo though is that although the pricing is attractive, you do have to deal with some limitations, especially when it comes to more advanced segmentation. And what I mean by that is if you really want to create complex customer journeys or detailed behavioral triggers, you might hit some walls, okay? So some months I love how affordable it is compared to other platforms that I've used. Other months I get frustrated because I can't set up the exact automation that I want in Brevo. I think the best email campaign that I've sent had like a 75% open rate, and other campaigns have performed poorly because of the segmentation options that were limited. Other things with Brevo that I didn't like or don't like currently is that the reporting and analytics aren't as detailed as platforms like Klaviyo, and sometimes the email deliverability can be inconsistent. And unlike more premium platforms where everything just works smoothly, Brevo sometimes feels like you get what you pay for. Now with Brevo though, one thing to keep in mind is that you do have to take into account that while it's cheaper than competitors, you might outgrow it as your business starts to get more sophisticated, okay? So it's great for getting started, but you might need to migrate to something more powerful or advanced, which eventually can become a hassle. Now with Brevo though, there can be some limitations when it comes to integrations with other tools. So my recommendation is that you check if it connects with your existing software stack before committing. For me, for example, I had some issues getting it to work properly with my CRM and had to use Zapier for some connections. Now, here are my 3 tips for people who want to try out Brevo. First tip is to definitely start with their free plan because it's one of the most generous free tiers in email marketing. You get 300 emails per day, which is plenty for most small businesses to test the platform thoroughly. I used the free plan for like a month before finally upgrading. Second tip is keep your email campaign simple, because Brevo works best with straightforward newsletters and basic automation flows. I learned that trying to create complex multi-step campaigns often doesn't work as well as it does on more advanced platforms, so stick to the basics. Third tip is take advantage of their SMS marketing feature because that's something a lot of email platforms charge extra for. I found that combining email and SMS campaigns actually improved my overall engagement rates, even though I wasn't expecting much from SMS text messages. My rule is that if you're sending less than 10,000 emails per month, Brevo is probably going to be good for your needs. But with Brevo though, I'd say it's been a pretty good experience overall, especially considering the price point. It's definitely a good option for small businesses or people just getting started with email marketing. Brevo customer support is pretty good also when you can get through to them, although sometimes the responses can be slow. So with that being said, if you're considering Brevo, I'd say just try it out. You won't know until you try out their free plan. It makes it risk-free to test and see if it meets your needs. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. And if you want to sign up for Brevo using a discount code, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.